Hi everyone, for today's review we have the BPF version of Siege Megatron, and this an oversized version of Megatron. He's not leader class, he's a little bit bigger than the than the new standard Voyager. I don't think they did any improvements on this mold. I think they did fill out some gaps. I think one of them is on the arms over here, but I'm not sure what else, what other improvements they may have made on this mold. Not sure if they also fill in more gaps on the legs, especially around this area below the knees. But overall, I think they did a pretty good job on this oversize. They didn't add any ratchets to the joints or anything like that, but for the price, less than $20, I think it's a great purchase, especially if you want your Megatron to be bigger than your Optimus. And I know there's another version that is bigger than him. So when you look online, this is the BPF, because maybe a lot of sellers may try to sell you the AOE mech or trying to confuse you. So just be careful on that. So this is how the packaging looks. I mean, not the packaging, but the manual. So just make sure if you want to buy this version, it says BPF. Or if you want to buy the AOE mech version, make sure you pay attention to the names, because I know a lot of sellers are deceiving buyers. So I know that they added diecast on the feet. I think that's the only place that has diecast. So unfortunately, because of that, sometimes when you move the leg, so the joints aren't very tight, so just be aware of that. But I think this design especially is great because we're never gonna get a gun Megatron. So this one is like it combines the G1 robot mode design pretty well with the tank mode. It's not a lot of kibble. As you can see, that's right next to the KO Dinobot. So it's still smaller than a little size figure. So let me transform him. Transformation is pretty much the same. It's not, complex transformation. So let me finish it off right now. Transform the gun. Let me see, it's kind of tricky. It goes like this. far as I can tell, this is what the tank mode is supposed to look like. So as you can see, this KO is just a standard mold, maybe some improvements in the gaps, very little paint application or added ratchets. I do recommend that if you don't like the standard Voyager size that Hasbro is going for recently, or if you want a bigger Megatron for your Optimus Prime for less than $20, yeah, I'll say it's a good buy. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.